Imagine driving a car that carries its own personal aircraft. When traffic gets bad, you press a button, and a flying machine separates from your vehicle and takes you through the air. This isn't a movie. It's the XPENG Land Aircraft Carrier, and it's available in 2026. Let's see how this incredible machine works and what it means for the future. The XPENG system is actually two vehicles in one. First, you have the Mothership. This is a six-wheeled electric vehicle that looks like a large van. It drives over 620 miles on a single charge because it uses a gasoline engine to recharge its battery while you drive. The Mothership carries the flying aircraft in a special compartment in the back. When you're ready to fly, the rear opens like a clamshell, and the aircraft unfolds automatically. The flying module is a two-seat aircraft with six rotors. You can fly it yourself using simple controls, or let it fly autonomously. Just press one button, and it takes off on its own. The system is so safe that it can still land, even if two of the six propellers stop working. When you're done flying, the aircraft returns to the mothership. It can recharge from 30% to 80% in just 18 minutes using power from the van. If this technology succeeds, it will change everything. Imagine living outside the city and flying over traffic to get to work in minutes. Emergency services could reach people in remote areas quickly. Search and rescue teams could deploy instantly without needing helicopters. Families could take weekend trips to places with no roads. The price is around $280,000 to $300,000 in China, which is expensive now. But as more companies build flying cars, prices will drop. In 10 or 20 years, flying to work might be as normal as driving is today. The XPeng Land Aircraft Carrier proves that flying cars aren't just concepts anymore. They're real, they're practical, and they're almost here. The future of transportation is arriving in 2026. Would you buy a flying car if you could? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the skies.